Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Mark in Oklahoma on his Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Mark, got it ready to go for you, bud? Fully loaded out, wideband transmit and receive, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, tune alignment, all my audio mods, high cut filter right here on the back on a switch for you. You upgraded to the LED fan and you wanted white, so we did just that for you. You also selected to wideband mod the SRE 198. We did just that. Okay, let's start with the RF power all the way down. Start with a 500 watt slug right here. You're looking at about 25 watts all the way down. That way you decide to run a big 24 peel or something, you got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 315 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. 790 peak. Just for giggles, roll it all the way down. There's your 25 watts. Hello. Still doing about 790, almost 800. If you want to run the low power side, hello, 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 hello. This one here gets up to about 150 on low. So pretty versatile unit right here. Get your noise blanker there, Roger beep there, automatic SWR there. Good to go. Mark, appreciate it, bud. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.